What's up guys, Brandon here and welcome back to another episode of Crate Builds. And in this episode, I'm gonna be building a Ford Mustang with a Widebody. And it's made by MST. This is the kit that I'm gonna be using. It's an MST RMX 2.0. The light kits and the grills, I already pre-built the kit and I'm gonna be changing the mags later to match the Ford Mustang. Now let's unwrap this one. So these are the stickers set and the stickers for painting. This is the body shell. And these are the headlights and the rear lights and also the spoilers. I'm gonna be cutting the excess parts using the cutter, and I'm gonna use a rotary tool after to sand off the rough parts. Now I'm done cutting all the excess parts. I'm just gonna be using the rotary tool to sand off the rough parts. Now guys, it looks like this, and I also cutted the front grills and I'm gonna be putting the intercooler later. And the next step is you need to wash this with liquid detergent. Now I'm done washing off the body shell and already wiped the wet parts, and now let's move on to masking. Now I'm done putting all the masks, and now it's time to paint. These are the paints that I'm gonna be using. For its main color, I'm gonna be using a bright red, and its secondary is PS1 or white, and the last coating is black. And I'm gonna be using also the flat clear for its headlights and rear lights. Now let's open up the rear lights and the headlights and also the spoiler. This is the spoiler and the side mirrors. So this spoiler, I'm gonna be making this a carbon fiber to make it look thinner. So it's gonna look like this. Now that I've done painting the body shell, I'm gonna be removing the protective film and start putting on the stickers. Apart from putting on the stickers, I also made a roll cage, and this is made out of balloon sticks, and I glue gunned them and painted them flat white to make it look like this. Now that the roll cage is already set, I've also put on the grills in the front bumper and in the hood vent. And I'm gonna be also putting on the racing stripes from the front until the back, and the color of the racing stripes will be white. Now that the Mustang is almost finished, I'm gonna be also putting on the rear spoiler, and this is made from carbon fiber, which I made earlier in the video. And I'll be sticking it with the double-sided tape here. And I'll be finishing it off with the light kits, and the light kits that I'm gonna be using is from Killerbody. It's a 17 LED set. This is the main control switch, and these are the LED lights. And these are the light buckets that I'm gonna be putting it on. Now everything is done on this Ford Mustang, and as you've noticed, the wheels in the front and the back are different because of the width of the body. And I've put a 9mm offset on the back and 6mm up front with a 1mm wheel spacer, which makes it 7mm offset. These are the lights that I put. If you've liked my built body shell of the Ford Mustang and would want to buy it, I'm gonna be posting it on my Facebook page, Great Builds, and you can message me out there. And I'm also gonna be putting down the link on the description box down below, so you can check it out. And if you're not yet subscribed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.